It's D4.
This is my new mailbox kit.
Nice.
Okay. D4. Right here?
Yep.
Let's see what the tools. When you called around, did everyone say they couldn't make a key? They just have to change the lock?
Yeah.
Some people they're saying 150 for them to go out there too. So it's like, I mean, at a certain point, and then they said it's $50, but we had to wait till Tuesday, so they couldn't wait a whole week for that. I mean, although it's
the post office.
Yeah, it's convenient, but it's like can't wait that long.
Yeah.
But no, it's perfectly convenient. I know $95 you can't really beat that.
Yeah. That's open. 3, 5, 3, 5, 5.
I was like, when you sent me the link for the videos, I was like, oh man.
Yeah.
For sure. I was like 100%.
No, I have to get it right. Yeah, I started the YouTube channel about.
Yeah, she laughed at it. She was like slinging keys. She was
She came up with the name.
good name.
Yeah. All right, 35543. That's what it looks like. Let's cut it. One 6 4 6. Direct. 7 2 3 4 4. Basically, each number is just one number lower. Zero. It was a weird. It didn't really read on the numbers. I don't know.
That's it?
That's it.
Why is it still red then? Oh,
If I cut it, I don't know if I cut it.
oh jeez.
Probably come up somewhere,
Did not.
but I think she honestly probably threw it away.
I'll make you guys a spare, okay?
Thank you.
Appreciate you.